Store canned butter in a cool place, and when you refrigerate it, it will become solid. Canned butter will need a sharp knife to cut it, break it up. Be careful with your jars. Okay, y'all, remember I put this butter up on 9/3 this month? Okay, this is still kind of, so you see it moving around in there, but when you put it in the refrigerator, it gets hard just like butter. And all I do is take a sharp knife. Be careful, you don't want to mess up your mason jar, and I just do that. And then when I want to put it on something like, well, I'll use a spoon. Use a spoon. And you just put it on like regular butter. I like a lot of butter, so this is how mine will look. I drain the juice off of mine and I heat it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. I have a 1250 watt, so I got a high wattage, so mine don't take very long. 3 minutes is plenty hot, and I put a lid on it. Don't cook these without putting a lid on it. Okay, that's how I fix my green beans. I love them that way. They taste good. Now, remember our canned cream. That's my half and half that I canned. Well, this morning when I opened it, it had this on top. Let me show you that. I'm not using my tripod. So I put it in here. We're going to have a baked potato. Let me show you. Do not throw this away, y'all, on top. It's real thick. Put that on top of your baked potato. So this is what we used up this morning in our coffee. And so when I opened this, it had this heavy cream on top. So I put it in this jar. Yeah, buy lids like this where you can like this is my butter lid. And then I like the little ones because we set them in the door. And I like this pour spout better than this one, because when you pour out of it, it gets, it will get really dirty there. And I always wash it off before I pour in the morning my coffee cream. But anyway, there's just some tips if you're putting it up. Do not throw this thicker stuff away. Oh, it tastes so good. So it's real heavy cream, thickened, but there's nothing wrong with it. So anyway, okay, I gotta get lunch here. Well, that's all I got today. I'm watching Living on Beans. That's not his channel. His channel is, let me see. He's in Oklahoma. Cedar Creek Homestead. I watched him tell a story about living on beans. Anyway, because I'm tired of looking at all the fires out west. And we need to pray for those people. It's sad. It's unbelievable. Anyway, that's it, y'all. Goodbye.